Assalamualaikum guys, today I will show you how to install a stable diffusion on your computer. You can install this software without GPU, only on your CPU. So open your web browser and type easy diffusion, click. So here's the software, you can download it. When you download it, you will get a exe file like this, easy diffusion windows.exe. Install this. It will take about 20 to 25 minutes depending upon your internet speed and computer speed, because this software has to download a lot of data in GBs. So when you install it, it's a one-click install. No need to install Python, Anaconda, etc. When you install, you have a icon like this over your desktop. Double click and run it. It will take a little bit time to start, and when it's complete, a new tab open in your web browser where stable diffusion is installed. Just wait. You can see a new tab is open automatically. If not open, then copy this link and paste in your web browser. So here is your stable diffusion installed with only one click. This is the prompt area. You can write prompt here. These are the settings. There is also a beta version of this software. You can also use it by clicking on it and then refresh the browser. So this is the most easy way, one click install of stable diffusion on your computer. It runs smoothly actually on our GPUs. You must have a minimum of 4 GB or 8 GB of dedicated graphic card. If you don't have a graphic card, then it can run on your CPU, but its speed must be very slow. Hey guys, if you like this video, subscribe and share. Thank you.